What is Python? Python is a programming language, right? And it is a universal language. Universal language meaning it can be used anywhere. Can be used anywhere for automation and networking and VLSI, banking and storage domain, banking domain, telecom domain, and it is used for web development and web automation, data science, machine learning, AI, right? And for cloud also, cloud, AWS, Azure, right? So it is universal language and it can be used anywhere, like all domains and everywhere we can use Python. That is why it is high demand in market. High demand in market. High demand in market. Right? I will show you uh, how it is high demand in market now. Okay. Let me open just Google. Yeah. You are able to see my screen, right? Yeah. Just search for top 10 programming language. Top 10 programming language in 2025. See, what is coming first here? Python. Python, JavaScript, Java, C, C++. If you see here also, uh, every like website, Python is the first. You can check everywhere. Top 10 programming language for 2025. If you read here, top 1 is Python. Why? Popularity, job demand, okay, high community support. See, here also Python. If you see anywhere, totally around 10 or 20 websites, 80% is they are telling top one is Python. Okay. So before you are learning, not only Python, everything, you need to check like this. You are learning something in the market, demand is there or not. Okay, then only we can go ahead and learn any technology or any skill. Understood, right? Yeah. If anyone like ask about why Python, why DevOps, otherwise why C language, so we need to tell that it is like in 2025 Python everywhere Python using like any company, all companies for every project, right? So that is why we can learn Python and like easily we'll get the jobs. Clear, right? Yeah. And it has strong community support. If you compare with other things, right? So it has strong community support. Here, community support meaning if you search anything in Google, you will get answers easily. Right? Stack Overflow, or nowadays we have AI tools also. But before AI tools also, uh, we'll get answers for everything. Right? And it is platform independent. Platform independent meaning you can say cross-platform. Okay? You can write program in Windows and you can execute same program in using Linux. You can write program in Linux environment and you can execute same program in Windows environment. That is what this is platform independent. Clear, right? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పటి వరకు? What is Python? Python is a programming language, okay, and it is universal language. Universal language meaning it can be used anywhere. Yeah, yeah. We can use for automation, and in VLSI also they are using for banking. Also we can use telecom domain. We can use storage domain. We can use everywhere and anywhere we can use. Okay, that is why it is high demand in market. Every project, even in cloud also, AWS, Azure, okay, and it has strong community support, and it is platform independent, and it is easy to learn. No background is required, meaning if you don't know anything, also fine, you can learn this. No background, meaning C language or any other language are not required to learn this. And easy to maintain code also. It is easy to learn because it is like simple English. Okay. Yeah. All syntaxes are like English only, right? Simple English. Not like meaning in Java and C language, syntaxes are little like difficult compared with Python, right? But here in Python, it is easy, like it is like simple English only. And it is written in the C programming language. It is written in C programming language. సో సిని యూస్ చేసి పైథాన్ని డెవలప్ చేశారనమాట. ఓకేనా? బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వచ్చేసి సి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రన్ అవుతాయి. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వచ్చేసి సి ఉంటుంది. దే యూస్ సి టు డెవలప్ పైథాన్. Right? And it is interpreter based language. Interpreter based language. Interpreter means it will execute the code line by line. Executes the code line by line. Okay? And Python interpreter name is Python C. It executes code line by line, meaning it will execute first line, then it will execute second line, then it will execute third line. If something problem here, it will exit here at third line. That is called line by line code execution. If you see in the C language, it is compiler based language. Compiler based. Compiler meaning it will execute whole program at a time. Executes whole program at a time. Meaning it will execute all lines at a time and it will give you the output. First it will read all lines at a time. Okay. Compiler will, yeah, correct, correct. Yeah. Now here we have 33 lines, right? 33 lines code. Let's assume this is C program. Okay. 33 lines code at a time it will read and execute. But interpreter it will execute line by line. First line it will execute, second line, third line, fourth line, like that. If any problem is there at any line, third line, it will exit from program here only. Third line only. It will not even read fourth line. Okay. Yeah. It will not check. Yeah. It will here only. It will exit and it will give you the error. Something is problem here. Okay. But compiler, if we have here in eighth line also some problem, some 15th line also some problem is there, it will give you all errors. Third line some syntax error, and 10th line some syntax error, and 15th line some syntax error or some other errors. Okay. Yeah. And here we can say one more word, synchronous, right? Synchronous meaning one at a time, one work at a time. Okay. But it is asynchronous. Asynchronous meaning all at a time, right? All at a time. Yeah, synchronous meaning, see, only it will do one work at a time, right? But asynchronous meaning multiple works at a time, right? Multiple works. So now you can tell me which is fast. Always multiple works only the fast, right? It is fast, it is slow. Yeah. Compared to compiler, interpreter is little slow. Execution time. క్లియర్ కదా ఇక్కడ వరకు ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్ ఏమంటే ఏమి కంపైలర్ అంటే ఏమి ఓకేనా ఇది ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో కూడా అడుగుతారు వాట్ ఈస్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ కంపైలర్ హౌ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ అండ్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఫాస్ట్ విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ఫాస్ట్ ఓకే ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఇక్కడ ఎవరికన్నా కంపైలర్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్ దగ్గర చెన్నాటి దేవా గోకుల్ and Python can be integrated with any other languages. Okay? Integration with other languages. Meaning we can integrate with C or C++ and Java and .NET also we have, right? .NET. Right. Here we can integrate using Python actually. Okay. These are all interpreters. Okay. Java we can integrate with using Jython. Okay. For .NET I think something iron Python. Okay. These are all interpreters we can use integrate like other languages with Python. Clear, right? In yeah, in real time, normally you don't use these things. Only like whoever using all things, right? C language, Java, Python, and all, they use this. They use this. But normally, 90 percentage you don't use these things, Python, Jython, or Iron Python, other things. Okay. Just mainly here, you need to remember these two. What is interpreter and what is compiler, and how it will work. Okay. Python follows PEP 8 guidelines, PEP 8 guidelines for coding. Meaning it is coding style, like style guide for Python. So we need to follow PEP8 rules actually. If you see here, let me show you PEP8 rules. PEP8. Style guide for Python. So they define some rules for do coding. Okay. So this is just like we write if conditions or for loops or normal code, right? We need to follow some correct indentation. Okay. Correct names, meaning variable names. So some format they provided, we need to follow these things. It is just simple. As of now, just you can remember PEP8 is there. We need to follow PEP8 rules, guidelines. I will tell you some guidelines. Okay. Indentation. Indentation meaning, right, how many spaces we need to give in if condition or for loops, anything. For example, if any code writing here, see, uh, name equal to India, okay? This is correct code actually. After name, one space, and after that, one space and name. See, name equal to this code also will execute correctly, but by seeing this, it is not good, right? Here, we are not mentioned any space, but here we mentioned space. So, this is called indentation actually. How many like spaces you are giving, right? So, these are all things provided here, like how to do code in prepared rules. Okay, it is just simple. Just we need to follow some here clearly they mention style guide for Python code, right? సో ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే మనము ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఒక రూల్ ఫాలో కావాలన్నమాట. క్లియర్ కదా? ఇప్పుడు వేరియబుల్స్ నేమ్స్ రాస్తుంటాము. వేరియబుల్స్ నేమ్స్ అనేది NAME. సో ఇలా రాసినా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది నీ కోడ్, ఓకేనా? నేమ్ అనేది, బట్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ అనేది ఎలా ఉండాలంటే స్మాల్ కేసెస్ ఉండాలి. స్మాల్ కేసెస్ ఏమంటారు దీన్ని? స్నేక్ కేస్ అంటాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ లోనే ఉండాలి వేరియబుల్ నేమ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నేమ్స్ వచ్చేసి క్యామెల్ కేస్ అంటారు. క్యామెల్ కేస్. Camel case meaning every first letter, okay? Every first letter should be capital letter. See here, class name, like this. Okay? So you will learn these things later. Okay. As of now, just remember we need to follow PEP8 rules. Okay. And one more thing, as per PEP8, line length should be 79 characters. Okay. Here, here, if you see, if you observe here, this line, how many characters are there? Hmm? This is line 33, okay? column 90, 95, right? 95 meaning here 95th character. We are at 95th character, right? So likewise, it should be 79 characters. Okay. After somewhere here 79, here we are 79, right? After 79, we should write in new line, right? That is the rule we need to follow. This is sometimes in interviews also they will ask. Okay. What is the line length in Python? 79 characters. It should be only 79 characters. That is from paid guidelines. Here somewhere they may be mentioned. Here see. Maximum line length. Limit all lines to maximum of 79 characters. ఆ, మనం రాయొచ్చు కదా సింగిల్ లైన్ లోనే ఒకసారి. ఇప్పుడు సింగిల్ లైన్ లోనే రాస్తాం కదా. ఓకేనా? మాక్సిమం ఉండదు. బట్ బట్ సింగిల్ లైన్ లో మనం సింగిల్ లైన్ లోనే ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ ఫర్ లూప్స్ ఓకే సింగిల్ లైన్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ సింగిల్ లైన్ ఫర్ లూప్స్ అంటాం కదా. అలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు అనమాట. అలా రాసినప్పుడు కూడా 79 క్యారెక్టర్స్ కి ఎక్సీడ్ కాకోకుండా చూసుకోవాలి. ఎక్సీడ్ అయినా ఇట్స్ ఓకే, ప్రోగ్రామ్ విల్ వర్క్. ఓకే. యా, ఇట్స్ నాట్ గుడ్ టు సీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు వేరే క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇలా వచ్చినాయి అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఇలా స్క్రాల్ చేసి చూడాలి నువ్వు ప్రోగ్రామ్ నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు. ఇలా స్క్రాల్ చేసి చూడాలి. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్ కదా? కోడ్ అయితే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది ఈ రూల్స్ ఫాలో కాకపోయినా. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ ఈ ఇండెంటేషన్ అనేది ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ లూప్స్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి కంపల్సరీ ఫాలో కావాలి. ఇది జస్ట్ నార్మల్ వేరియబుల్ని డిక్లేర్ చేశాను. ఓకేనా? ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ ఫర్ లూప్స్లో ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మనకు సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో లాగా సీను జావాలో లాగా సిలో అయితే మనం పెరాన్సిస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా ఇలా. సిలో కానీ జావాలో కానీ సేమ్ ఫర్ లూప్స్ కూడా. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఓన్లీ ఇండెంటేషన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ వస్తాయి కదా, ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ కోలాను. ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ నువ్వు లైన్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ లో లైన్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కావాలా అంటే 4 స్పేసెస్ అండ్ యూ విల్ రైట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ హియర్. లేకపోతే ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది నీకు. ఓకేనా? స్టాండర్డ్ వచ్చేసి 4 స్పేసెస్. ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ ఎక్కడైనా ఈ పైథాన్ ఇండెంటేషన్ లో లూప్స్ లో కానీ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ లో కానీ స్టాండర్డ్ వచ్చేసి 4 స్పేసెస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. అలా కాకుండా నువ్వు 2 స్పేసెస్ యూజ్ చేసినా వర్క్ అవుతుంది, దట్స్ ఫైన్. బట్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 కూడా టూ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. బట్ స్టాండర్డ్ వచ్చేసి ఫోర్ స్పేసెస్. 4 స్పేసెస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. వేరియబుల్ నేమ్స్కి అయితే స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? హియర్ 1 space you can use, but variable names you can use స్మాల్ లెటర్స్. ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇప్పుడు క్లాసెస్ డిఫైన్ చేసినప్పుడు అలా అయితే క్యామెల్ కేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. క్యామెల్ కేస్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ లెటర్, ఎవరీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. మరి ఇక్కడ అండర్ స్కోర్ కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట, నేమ్ అండర్ స్కోర్ 1 అని. ఓకేనా? నేమ్స్ డిక్లేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ జస్ట్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ రూల్స్, బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ విల్ నాట్ ఫాలో ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. If you use here name, right? This time also it will work. But as a Python programmer, you need to follow these rules. Yeah. Then only your code will be very clean, right? For reading purpose, and if any other developer will see your code, it will be very clean for them. Yeah. That is why he developed, whoever developed Python, right? He only developed, written this also, web rules, right? Just if you open this website, everything they mentioned here. So many rules are there, but only you can remember these rules, basics, okay? Basic rules. The length should be 79, and you can use variable names with small letters, okay? And anyway, in conditions and loops, you should use indentation. Yeah, normally we follow four spaces. This is standard, okay? So he didn't ask what is pip, full form, right? Full form is Python Enhancement Proposal. PEP full form is Python Enhancement Proposal. Okay. Here also somewhere you can find. It is actually style guide for Python code. Okay. Here everything they mentioned for indentation, tabs and spaces, maximum line length. Okay. You can refer in future. Okay. Yeah. In interviews also, some people will ask what is PEP, and do you follow PEP guidelines or not? Okay. Just that time you can tell, yeah, we follow prepared guidelines. Then only it will be your code will be very clean, and uh, we can avoid syntaxes and syntax errors and all. Okay. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఇప్పటి వరకు? చెన్నాడి, దేవా? Okay. Now we'll see installation. Okay. You can install it from Python official website only. Let me show you. Python download. Just search for Python download. Okay. Here you're able to see, right? This one, python.org. From here, you can download this latest version, 3.13.3. Okay. After you download it, let me show you. Just it is simple. Already I have downloaded this. Here, just double click on this. Right. Just you need to click on. You will get install here. Okay. I have already installed. That is why it is showing like this. Okay. Clear, right? Then after that you can do next. Then automatically it will install. But before, in first step only, you will see that add environment variables to path. Okay. So that place you need to just click on checkbox. Let me try here. Already have installed, right? It is showing a different window. But for you, in first window only, it will show you add environment variables. Okay. So there, just you can click on that checkbox, then do next. It will install. Ah, ఎవరైనా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయకపోతే షేర్ చేయండి స్క్రీన్ చేయలేదు చేయమ్మా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి. పైథాన్ డౌన్లోడ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ యాక్చువల్గా పైథాన్ 3.5 తర్వాత స్టేబుల్ అయిందనమాట. పైథాన్ అనేది పైథాన్ 3.5 వరకు కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉండేటివి. పైథాన్ 3.5 తర్వాత ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ స్టేబుల్. ఓకే. పైథాన్ 3.5 ఈజ్ ఫైన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఇన్ కంపెనీస్ రైట్, it may be Python 3.5, 3.6 also. Okay. Where are you going? Click on downloads. Click on downloads. Click on here only. Downloads. Mm, yeah. First, first one only. లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ యూస్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా. ఇప్పుడు యూ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్ అమ్మా పైథాన్ 3.13. Click here. Finish downloading. Mm, Install now. Wait. Cancel that. Cancel that. I'll tell you. Yes. Wait for a second. Close and again close. Go to downloads. Mm, Click on that. Here it is there. Double click. Here, see downside. Add python.ext to path. Okay. That we need to select. Okay. Why we are selecting this is we are adding environment variable to the system. Okay. Manually also we can add, but this is a good practice to do. Okay. Yeah. Now click install. Everyone, you are observing, right? Others. Yeah. ఇది ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్ని ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తామంటే మెయిన్గా నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దిస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్, ఎనీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్, ఎనీ పాత్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దిస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. ఓకే. ఎనీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్, we need to add this path to environment variable. ఓకే. ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్ కి ఇది యాడ్ చేయకపోయినా ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్, బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు రన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద where Python is installed, right? From there only you need to run. Otherwise, it will not work. ఎక్కడి నుంచైనా రన్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వి యాడ్. చూపిస్తాను కూడా. సెటప్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్. క్లోజ్ చేయి. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిపోయింది. ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిందా లేదా అని ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళమ్మా. సిఎండి జస్ట్ పైథాన్ అని టైప్ చేయి. enter. See, now you are in Python console, right? So Python is correctly installed and it is telling you Python 3.13 version. Okay. Yeah. For practice purpose, here also you can check some code by using this Python console. Small things. For example, give a equal to 5. Here only, just I'll tell you example. A equal to 5. A equal to 5. 5. Enter. B equal to 10. B equal to 10. Enter. A plus B. Try A plus B. A plus B. Enter. Now what is the output? 15. So likewise for small things, right? You can test here in Python console. Okay? Now we can come out from here. Do exit exit. No. Type command exit exit exit. Yeah. Now you are outside of the console, Python console, right? So Python is installed correctly. Okay. Now you require one environment for writing code, right? Now you require one environment for writing code. So while you are learning, you can use Notepad++. We have more editors, useful editors for Python, but for learning purpose, we can use Notepad++. Download Notepad++. Okay, just open Notepad++. Not Notepad, Notepad++. Hmm. Notepad by default it will come. Okay. Just type here. I'll tell you it is there or not. Search box. Type Notepad. Notepad++. Yeah, it is not there. Yeah, it is not there. Yeah, that is search the web, right? It is not there. You can install it from the Google. Even from here also you can install. Yeah, nice. Okay, nice. Yeah, that later. Yeah. 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 Here also you can download latest version. Yeah, download. Open. Just do next. Agree. Just agree. Click on agree. Yeah. Next. No, just do next. Yeah. If you want on desktop, you can check box. Yeah. Yeah. Finish. Yeah. Now it is installed. Okay. That's it. Here you can write code. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Yeah. అందరికి అర్థమైంది కదా పైథాన్ ఎలా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి తర్వాత నోట్ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఎలా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలని. You are able to see my screen, right? Now we have installed Python and Notepad++. Okay. And we have see Python 2 also there. Okay. And Python 3. So what is this, right? Python 2 also there, Python 3 also there, right? Actually, till 2020, both versions are there. Python 2 and Python 3. Okay. పైథాన్ 2 లోను న్యూ ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేసినారు. పైథాన్ 3 లో కూడా న్యూ ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేసినారు. సేమ్ ఫీచర్స్. ఓకే. సింటాక్స్ మాత్రం లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది పైథాన్ 2కి పైథాన్ 3కి. ఆఫ్టర్ 2020 తర్వాత పైథాన్ 2 సపోర్ట్ స్టాప్ చేసినారనమాట. ఓకే. సో నౌ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ పైథాన్ 3. రైట్. In interviews also sometimes they'll ask what is Python 2 and what is Python 3. రెండింటిని డెవలప్ చేసినది ఒక్కరే. ఓకేనా. పైథాన్ 2 ఫస్ట్ పైథాన్ 2 స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. టూ 2000లో మెయిన్లీ 2000లో బయట మార్కెట్లోకి వచ్చింది అనమాట. ఓకే. 1991లోనే స్టార్ట్ చేశారు డెవలప్మెంట్. బట్ 2000లో మార్కెట్లోకి వచ్చింది బాగా పైథాన్. పైథాన్ 2. పైథాన్ 3 వచ్చేసి 2008లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది మార్కెట్లో. రీజన్ అంటే అదే పైథాన్ 3లో ఆల్రెడీ వీళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నారు పైథాన్ 3ని. ఓకేనా. సో 2 వర్షన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయడం ఎందుకు అన్నట్లు స్టాప్ చేశారు అంతే 2020లో. సో నౌ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ పైథాన్ 3. సో దట్ ఈస్ వై వీ కెన్ యూజ్ పైథాన్ 3 ఓన్లీ. సో నౌ విల్ సీ పైథాన్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకే. విల్ సీ ప్రింట్ hello world. Okay. How to save this? Yeah, using control S, right? Do control S. Yeah, you can use here file get tab. Otherwise, you can use shortcut control S, right? Web లో కాదు, compulsory we need to save locally. Okay. Let me save this. Something it is stuck. Close this. I'm using Windows on Mac actually. Just I have installed Windows on Mac. Okay. That is why it will be slow. Now let's see. Print. Let me save this one. Here just CC C Python no, print print dot py. Okay. Extension is py. Python files extension is py. Okay. Print dot py. Print is file name and extension is py. I'm saving this. See. After save, here it is showing Python file. It is Python file. If you see here down right cursor, observe my cursor. It is Python file. If you see here, it is normal text file. Okay. Yeah. I have saved with .py, right? So automatically it is showing you as Python file because this Notepad++ will support for here. If you click on here language, right? So Notepad++ will support for these all languages. Right here, we see in A, right? Action script and ASN. These are all some kind of language, assembly language. You people may be knowing assembly language. Okay. Here in if you see here C language, here C++. So Notepad++ will support for these are all things. You see here P I am at P now. Pascal, Perl, PHP, okay, PowerScript, Python. Here, right? Here if you see Visual Basic, VHDL, Verilog, here shell, okay, SQL. So Notepad++ will support for these are all things. Just if you click on here languages, right? Language, right? It will give you the like uh, whatever it will support, right? Now tell me print statement, right? What is print? Okay. In Python, print statement is used to display output on the screen. Okay. It is used to display output on the screen. Output on the screen. Screen or we can say console, okay, or terminal. We can tell screen or console or terminal. These three are same. Clear, right? Command prompt, we open normally command prompt, right? It is a terminal actually. In Mac OS, directly it is not CMD, it will be like terminal. Clear, right? Yeah. Let me open this terminal or console. Yeah. This is the terminal or command prompt or console, okay, or screen. Clear, right? So print statement is used to display output on the console or screen or terminal. So what is the syntax? Syntax is print open parenthesis close parenthesis. Okay. Here we can write anything. Okay. Here we can write anything within the parenthesis. So it will display on the console. Right? Yeah, without double quotes, you can write. See, you will get to know those things next class. Whatever we are writing in double quotes, right, or single quotes or triple quotes, it will be treated as a string. Okay, you will learn strings. String is like one of the data type for Python data type. Okay, you will learn those things in next class. Okay, just as of now, just remember print function. It is a function. Okay. In Python, in normally other language, right, C language or Java, we call it as print statement, but here we can call it as print function. Statement also fine, anything is fine, but whatever we are writing like this, right, parenthesis, not only for print, it will be called as a function. Okay, it will be called as a function. Clear? Here the syntax is print and parenthesis. Within the parentheses, we can write anything. It will display on the console. As of now, just print. See, now color also changed, right? Because already we saved the file, right? Let me write here new document, new file, print here. Color is normal only, right? Not set because it is not Python file. It is normal text file. So here it is Python file. So color also changed because Notepad++ will support for Python. Yeah. Now here just write hello world. Now save. I did Control S. Okay. Here you can observe this Notepad++ also. Here color, right? Here whatever green color is there, right? Here already this is saved. Okay. This is what, which color? This color, orange color. Yeah. Orange color, this is not saved. These lines are not saved. Clear, right? By seeing just file only, you will get to know saved or not. Okay. Now I'm doing Control S. See, I did Control S. Now it is saved, right? Just you can observe while you are writing code, right? You can observe it is save or not. Okay. Now print first program. Now tell me it is save or not. It is saved or not. Not saved because here still we are able to see orange color, right? If it is green only, green only, right? This color is green, right? Yeah. Then file is saved. Otherwise, it is not saved. We need to save. Okay. Now I am doing Control S. Right? Clear? Now it is saved. As of now, let me delete this one. Let's execute that. Let's execute this first. Okay. How to execute Python program? More ways are there. Okay. I'll tell you always. Simple way is go to file. Okay. Open containing folder. Okay. Command prompt. CMD meaning command prompt, right? Click on command prompt. Okay. Now see where you are C Python path, right? Where our program is sitting under C Python folder, right? C Python folder. So automatically it will redirect to your program path. Okay. This is one way. From here, simply you can execute Python. Okay. Space and program name you need to give print.py and enter. Clear? Hello world. Clear? What is the print function? Print statement. Print function is used to display output on console or screen or terminal. Right? Clear now? Now tell me what is the output I will get. Hello world and first program. How I will get? See, hello world. Okay, okay. See, let's observe here. Hello world. Okay, and first program. First program where I will get second line. Okay, let me save this. Yeah, let me execute this. So you can use arrows here, right? You can use arrows. If you use up arrow, you will automatically get previously executed lines. Okay, that also you can remember. Python space print.py. I'm executing. Just hit enter. Now hello world first program, right? So by default, print function or print statements is having new line character here, right? By default, here if you see here, empty line is there, new line. So why we are getting here new line meaning by default it is having new line character. Clear now? Yeah. This is one way of execution. Okay. See, let me tell you how you executed file open containing folder cmd. Okay. Other way is it is simple way actually. Other way is you can go to command prompt. Okay. You can go to command prompt. Yeah. Now tell me if I'll execute this Python space print.py. Can I execute like this? Let me yeah. Yeah, it is possible, but where we are you need to check. Where we are we need to check. Right? Now where we are C users I am -t. This is the path. Yeah. Now let me execute this. See. Cannot open file because no such file or directory in this path, right? So you should be in the same path. Okay. Now how to get this path? See, one way is just click right click here. Okay, right click here, copy to clipboard. Okay, copy to clipboard. Here it is asking you copy full file path, copy file name, or copy current. Yeah, copy file path, copy file name, or copy current directory path. Okay, let's take this copy file full file path. Okay, now you need to go to that path, cd. Okay, and paste it here, right? Here, if I do enter right, again see, you will get an error because we copied file path. Okay, we need to copy. We need to copy folder path and directory path, right? We have copied along with file name here. Clear? Now do cd space. This is the folder path. Okay. Here, here we kept file name also. So we cannot do cd. No. See, now we are in the Python folder. Clear? If you execute now, it will execute. Clear, right? Yeah. You should be in the same path. Then only you can execute. Okay. Now let's see print hello. Okay. Now let me save this. Control S. Print 2. Okay. Control S. Print 2. RINT 2. Save. See. Now, yeah, I'm not giving .py extension. Okay. Just I wanted to tell you this example also. Okay. Print 2.txt. This is normal text file. Okay. Now, how to execute this? Go to open containing folder and cmd. Okay. Now already we are in same path here, right? Python. Now let me execute this. Python space print2 dot txt. Okay, I'm pressing enter. It is executed clearly. Clear? So extension is no matter. That is what I wanted to tell you. Extension is no matter, right? Here we are calling Python, right? Here we are calling Python interpreter. We are calling Python interpreter. So in this file, if it is Python code is there, it will execute correctly because we are calling here Python interpreter. Python space we are giving, right? So extension is no matter, right? But for good thing, we need to give extension. So then only everyone will get to know it is a Python program, right? You also will, by seeing only, you also will get to know it is Python program because you are a Python developer. Okay. If you see here, let me go there, Python folder. Now see, print2, it is showing as a normal text file. Okay. Print is, it is showing like, see, Python symbol is showing, right? Because here also, type also, if you see, Python file. Python 2 also Python file only. In Python 2 also Python code only there, but it is text document. Yeah. So extension is no matter, but you need to give extension. The, yes, yes. Yeah. కన్వర్ట్ కాదు యాక్చువల్గా మనం పైథాన్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్ని కాల్ చేస్తున్నాం అది ఇక్కడ పైథాన్ స్పేస్ సో ఈ టీఎక్స్టీ ఫైల్లో పైథాన్ కోడ్ ఉంది No, it is txt file, right? We need to provide extension any file. See now this print2 is even not available. Now we do not have print2 file in Windows. In Linux, right? In Linux, simply we can create print2. Extension is not required. But in Windows environment, extension is like text file or Excel file or dash file. So we need to provide. If you will not provide, also automatically it is like generated .txt file, right? So that is required. File extension is required. ఇది వ్యాలిడ్ కదా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ప్రింట్ అనేది పైథాన్ ప్రింట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఓకే సో పైథాన్ ప్రింట్ ఫంక్షన్ కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ లెట్ మీ సేవ్ దిస్ నౌ లెట్ మీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ పైథాన్ print2.txt. Now see, first line it is executed, okay? Line by line execution is happening here, okay? First line, second line here, right? First line meaning second line, we received output hello. Then fifth line, it is meaningless for Python, right? It is meaningless for Python. That is why it will giving you an error. Line number 5, yeah, yeah, line number also it will mention clearly and clearly it is mentioning name error, name HELO is not defined. See, it is like English only, right? That is why I told you it is like easy to learn. If any errors also, it will give you clearly file name. This is file name, okay? See, Python print2.txt, line number 5 in module. Okay, this is like standard error output actually. Okay, at line number 5, HELOO. Okay, this is the HELOO. What is the error? Name error. The name HELOO is not defined. Clearly, it is telling you it is not defined. Okay. In next topic, you will get to know. Okay, it is not defined. Yeah. As of now, it is meaningless for this Python. This name, right? Yeah. Clear? Python laga correct. Python interpreter యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సో it will convert to Python code. Yeah. Yes. You are valid. Hmm. Correct. But extension is no matter. Okay. If you give extension or if you will not give extension also fine. But as a Python developer, yeah, as a Python developer, we should use where Python developer said we should use py extension. Okay. Now let me tell you this. Hello world. Okay. Print a. Here, if you see, just I am using one shortcut here. Okay. Let's see here how it is pasting, right? Just I am using Control D. Okay. You also can use this. Everywhere it will be useful. Okay. Control D. I am using Control D here. Automatically it will copy current line and it will paste at next line. Okay. Now cursor is at third line. Okay. Otherwise cursor is at second line. I am pressing Control D. See, it is pasted at next line. No need to copy, just cursor. Let it be there. Cursor here. See anywhere. Right? Now cursor is at second line. Cursor is in second line. Okay. Just I am pressing Control D. See, just press Control D. It will paste automatically at next line. Okay. Now B C. Now let's create where I am. Yeah, here, right? Here I am creating one folder. Okay. New folder. Folder name called test. Okay. Now I want to print this path. Just I am copying this, okay, path and I am pasting here. Clear? Now let me save this. Print3 dot py. Now tell me what is the output we will get here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you tell me first hello world will get? Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Let me execute this. Python 3 dot py. Here see print 3, right? Just I am pressing tab, okay? Automatically it will take the file name, total file name. For example, here I am at PR, just I am pressing, see, tab, next tab, next tab. So you can use tab. Yeah, just let me enter here. Now see output, observe output. Okay, here something we are getting, syntax warning we are getting. Okay, it is not error, it is warning. Okay, invalid escape sequence. Yeah, invalid escape sequence backslash p. Okay, but we are getting output. What is the output we are getting? Hello world we received. Okay, a b c. After that here path, if you see here c python till here we received as it is c python. After that t is not there, est is there. Okay, then a is there. So what is happening here, I'll tell you. In Python, we have some special characters are there. Special character. Backslash n, you will learn in future these things very clearly, but as of now, just remember, okay? Backslash n and backslash t, okay? Backslash n meaning new line, okay? Backslash t meaning tab space, tab space. Here also you are seeing, yeah, yeah. Here also you are seeing here, right? Here the output is tab space. Here special character it is applying, right? That is why we are getting like this output. Okay. How to get exact output, right? How to get exact output. So we need to use we need to escape that special character actually. We need to escape that speciality. Okay. Here some speciality is there for backslash t, right? We we can escape this. By escaping this, we can get clear output, right? Just let me take this. Control V, Control S, print 4.py. Now, to escape actually, we can use backslash, right? Let me print both things. Just I am putting one extra backslash here. Okay, let me execute this. What is the output we will get actually? Two outputs we will get here, right? Two print statements are there. Two outputs we will get. Let me clear this. CLS, okay. Python 4.py. Now, see, we are getting just as of now, ignore these warnings, okay? As of now, ignore this warning. Now, see, this is the first print statement output, okay? This one, third line output. Here, special character is speciality is applied here, okay? We see here next line, fourth line output. Clearly, we received exact output because we have escaped here, right? So to escape speciality, we can use backslash. As of now, just remember, you will get to know more things about this. Okay, right? So now tell me what is the output we will get here. Print 5.py. Hello? Yeah. Hello Python. How it will execute? Can you tell me? It is interpreter based, right? It will execute line by line. Okay. What is there in first line? Nothing. Nothing is there. What is there in second? It will go to second line. What is there in second line? Nothing is there. Yeah. What is there in third line? Yeah. That is what, yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you. So for commenting, right? For commenting, we can use hash. We can use hash. So wherever you use this hash, right? This code will not execute because it is it. Sorry. Yeah, we can use triple quotes also. I'll tell you that also. Okay. For single line comments, right? Okay. For single line comment, simply you can use hash. Okay. This code will not execute. For example, here test one. Okay. Again test two, test three. Okay. These three lines also will not execute. Okay. Right? Because we used here hash. Now, instead of using three hashes, right? Simply you can use triple quotes. Triple quotes is for multi-line comment. Okay. Now, let me remove this even hash. Simple hash is for single line comments. Okay. Triple quotes is for multi-line comment. If you want to comment multi-lines, right? Multiple lines, then you can go for triple quotes. No, no, star slash, that is from HTML or JavaScript, you can use. But in Python, we can use hash or triple quotes. Hash is for single line, okay, and triple quotes is for multiple lines. Yeah, normally where like this you will do, right? Star in HTML or yeah, in Java it will allow star and backslash. But likewise you will use, right? Forward slash and Tara. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. In where in HTML or JavaScript we will use this like this, right? For multi-line or single line. Okay. Multi-line or single line, JavaScript or HTML we will use this. In Java we will use this. Same likewise. In Python we use hash or triple quotes. Yeah. Java also we can use hash. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Both will work. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Here also it will work. Single, this also will work. See, test. This also will work here also. But simply we'll use hash for single line. For multiple lines, we use triple quotes. Okay. Let's execute this. What is the file name? Python5.py. Enter. See. Clearly we received only hello Python. All other lines are commented. Now here tell me what is the output we will get. Print. I am learning Python. Okay. Here just I am keeping here backslash n. Okay. Now tell me what is the output we will get. Print 6. Okay. Yeah. Tell me here. Tell me here. See. Till here. Okay. Till here. First line. Okay. Yeah. Let me write within the triple quotes. Okay. Output. This is the output I am writing here. Then then from ing we will get because backslash n is special character here. New line character. Okay. Clear? Extrude here 6. See. Now let's see. Now tell me what is the output we will get here. Let me save this. See, read this. Yeah, read this and tell me what is the output we will get. See, I am ler backslash space n and ing. Yeah, read this and tell me the output. Yeah, don't guess. Follow the rule. Follow the rules. Okay. Just rule is rule. Okay. Follow the rule. Whatever there in like print, right? Print function, it will exactly will print. If any specialty is there in between, it will apply. But here any specialty is there or not? It's not there. See, clear? As of now, just ignore this. Okay. Warning we're getting, but I'll tell you this. Okay. Now clearly I am. See, clearly we received output. Whatever there here, right? Oh, py. See, now let me use here one more backslash, okay? And let's print this. Now see, here you are getting warning, right? So now that warning also gone because backslash is in backslash some specialty is there, okay? That is why it is telling you syntax warning, invalid escape sequence. So if you want to exactly print backslash, right? Again, you need to escape that, right? So now I have escaped that. So you are getting only one backslash, not two backslashes. Now even there is no warning also. Now output is very clear, right? Now tell me here if you want to like remove warning, right? From this, how to write code here? Even I need clean output. I need clean output. C Python test print 9 RPY. Let me execute this. See, now you are getting warning, okay? And this is not clean output, right? Now tell me, see, whenever you are using paths, right? Whenever you are using paths related in the print function, you can use backslash. You can escape always backslash. Then only it will be very clean. See, here I am using backslash and here also I am using a backslash. In real time, right? In real time, right? You will learn these all things in future, but as of now, just assume you want to read this from this folder one file, okay? You want to read one file from this folder and you need to process that file, okay? You need to apply some conditions on that file and you need to generate output. So that time, if simply you will use without this backslashes, right, it will fail to read that file because it will be not correct path, right? It will be not correct path. If you'll get like this, right? If you'll get like this, it is not correct path. So it cannot read file within this path. So whenever you are using, right? Whenever you are using file paths in Windows environment, you need to escape. You need to escape this backslash. Right here now I have escaped both places. Now we can see. Let me clean. See clean output. Right? It is clear output you receive. Yeah. Because I have escaping everywhere here and here. So here backslash t is there, tab space is applying, but here again backslash is in backslash some specialty is there in Python. So we need to escape this. Clear kada? Print function clear kada? So tomorrow onwards we'll use a print function everywhere. Okay. So tomorrow onwards we'll start real like Python data types. Yeah. ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ వరకు? అదే ఈరోజు చెప్పింది వెరీ బేసిక్ ఓకేనా? Yeah, I'll share you recording. Yeah, I'll share you recording. Okay. So tomorrow we'll meet same time, 7:30. Tomorrow we'll start data types. Okay. Okay. Bye, madam.